The balls are getting in the way.
It's like,
See, look at that.
you almost hit me, you see? Is that on video?
Yes.
Oh, he's taking video. Is that what you
Wait,
said?
I want to show you a flip. Guys, stop. I want to do the flip.
Yeah, let him do the flip.
Let me do the flip. Ow. I need my pathway. Okay, let me get my warm up.
That can be a staple move before.
Okay.
You get in with that too.
It's a hander. It's a hander. I can do that again.
That was on camera too.
For the world to see.
I can do that again.
That's forever now.
I'm going to do that again.
Don't fail or you're going to hit with the ball again.
Okay. Wait, let me do it again. Ow.
No, let the boys do one.
No.
Yeah, let Cole do one.
Let me do it
That'll
again.
be.
Cole's funny.
Come on, let me do it again real quick. One more time. Because this time it's a no-hander. A no-hander. What are you doing?
Bouncing you away.
No, I'm trying to get my no-hander on camera.
I'm trying to fail on camera.
Okay, let me do it first. Okay.
Fine, you fail first.
Balls are fine.
Go now.
Ow.
That was good.
Not bad.
Okay, now go. I hurt my ankle doing that.
Did you?
Yeah, I landed. But
Cole,
it's still fun.
I don't have a lot of battery, so.
Go, 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 go.
I'm going.
Man, right on that bat.
Yeah, that's gonna be fun.
I'm gonna get hurt. I know it. I can see it. I'm gonna get hurt.
I'll get the kick in the face and he'll land on you. You almost look like
Okay,
a,
Justin,
like a
Justin,
whale
quick.
coming up to hit a ring or
Justin,
something.
hurry, Justin.
You guys have to go on the sides because I take up the whole trampoline.
No, let Justin. Justin.
Justin!
Okay,
You got Justin! All these balls have to.
Hurry. I can't reach him.
This will be when I break my neck.
Go. That's me. And.
Go now. Okay, everybody take a bow.